NuroClean Spray has been gaining attention as a cleaning solution, but does it really work? Marketed as an all-purpose cleaner, it claims to tackle tough stains, disinfect surfaces, and eliminate odors effectively. Users have reported positive results for everyday cleaning tasks, like removing grease, sanitizing kitchen counters, and freshening up fabrics. However, its effectiveness can vary depending on the surface or stain type. While some praise its versatility and ease of use, others feel it doesn't deliver exceptional results for tougher jobs like deep-set grime or heavy-duty messes. One notable feature is its non-toxic formula, which makes it safer for households with kids and pets compared to harsh chemical cleaners. The spray also boasts a pleasant scent, avoiding the strong chemical odor common in other products. Despite these benefits, there are concerns about its price point, which is higher than many standard cleaning sprays. In a nutshell, NuroClean Spray works well for light to moderate cleaning needs and stands out for its safety and eco-friendly appeal. However, for tougher cleaning demands, you may need something stronger. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.